Justice Minister Delroy Chuck is this evening expressing disappointment with how the plea bargaining system has worked so far. Last year, the new plea bargaining system was enacted and was expected to be a game changer for the criminal justice system. TVJ's K. Morgan has more.
No matter should be within the court system for longer than 2 years.
That's the hope of Justice Minister Delroy Chuck. He was speaking at a recent judicial education conference in Trelawney. He adds that the government is committed to pumping more resources to improve the justice system. But even with the hopes of delivering judgments in a more timely manner, Mr. Chuck highlighted a challenge.
Last year, we enacted the plea bargaining system. I'm very disappointed that it has not really taken off, because the plea bargaining system which we enacted was to ensure that we get more guilty plea. Not the judges to really push it, but they can urge prosecutors and defense counsel to try to get together and have more guilty pleas.
So, will the justice system ever be rid of backlog cases?
And in all sincerity, we will never be able to get rid of the backlog if we have to try 90% of the cases. If we can't get down to less than 30% of the cases being tried, which means at least 70% of the cases being dealt with by a guilty plea or plea bargaining, we're not going to succeed.
The Justice Minister says there has been progress in reducing backlog cases in parish courts. Mr. Chuck points out, however, that the country is yet to achieve a first-class, first-world justice system.
The Prime Minister is committed to bring the infrastructure to first-world quality. And he has said, privately and publicly, that the resources that is needed to provide a first-world justice system will start in the next fiscal year.
K. Morgan, TVJ News.